Hello guys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to RoboThought Zero to Hero Python programming on Jetson Nano. Alright guys, we are in lesson number 22. Today you are going to learn about Python numbers. It's simple. It's very simple, right? So guys, there are basically three basic numeric types of numbers in Python. I'm sure you can guess it. It's the integer, float and complex. These are the basic three. Now the variables of numeric types are created when you assign a specific value to them. Alright, so let me show how it works. Let me show with an example in a code. Let me share my screen. I already logged into my Jetson Nano remotely through Putty. I hope you guys have logged in. You are doing the same. Alright, let's create a new file called numbers, or any other name as you wish. You can give any name, but I am going to give it as numbers. Say nano number.py. It's a new file. It's a new nano file for Python programming, okay, in Nano IDE. All right, let me say x equal to 1, y equal to say 2.5, and z equals say 1j. Now to verify the type of any object in Python, you need to use what? Type. Exactly, type and an open bracket and a close bracket, a round one. All right, so you need to use type as a function, which I taught you in my earlier videos. All right, now let's print this. Print type. What do you want to print? X. Exactly, and close the whole bracket. X in a small bracket and a whole bracket with a type. All right, let's say print and type. What do you want to print? Y. Okay, and the full closure of the bracket. Now print print, let's say type. What do you want to print? Z. Close the bracket and again close the bracket. Okay, and now let's see, we got to save this file. Control O, enter, Control X. All right, now let me execute this Python file. What was the name of the file we created? It's number. Python 3 number.py. There you go. So can you see that there are three types? The type is a class called int, that's the integer, and then float, and then complex, that is 1j, 2.8, and the one which we declared. So it's just showing the type, right? I hope you got it, guys. It's pretty simple. So this is how the number system works. And in the upcoming videos, I'm going to show more and more details into this. These are all very basics so that you get hands-on in the terminal using Jetson Nano, using Nano IDE, and you're learning Python, right? So all these skills are developing in parallel. All right guys, so 1 second, let me just clear. And also I would like to thank you for watching this video. Do leave a comment, thumbs up, subscribe, and ask me any questions you have. Thank you for watching.